Hi, welcome back. You are once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. In previous video, I talked about what is noun phrase. In today's video, I'll be talking about what is adjective phrase. Let's begin. So, what is the definition of adjective phrase? Adjective phrase is a group of words which functions as an adjective in a sentence. That group of words which function as an adjective in a sentence. Words का वो मजमूआ जो एक सेंटेंस में adjective का काम करे उसको हम adjective phrase कहेंगे. Let's see the example. Example first, have you ever seen an elephant? We have a complete sentence. Have you ever seen an elephant? This group of words modifies means add something with the noun. So this group of word is working as an adjective. So this is adjective phrase. Got it? Look at the second sentence. He was wearing a crown. This group of word modifies the noun made of gold. Crown, which one crown? Which is made of gold. Got it? So this group of word is working as an adjective in this sentence. So this is adjective phrase. Okay, first, here I met a girl. A girl, which one girl? It modifies the noun. This group of word modifies the noun. With blue eyes. Girls with blue eye. So this group of word working as an adjective. This is called adjective phrase. Example को देखिए, ये हमारे साथ एक sentence है. Have you ever seen an elephant? क्या आपने elephant देखा है? With a white skin. It modifies the elephant. Which one elephant? So this group of word is working as an adjective. So this is adjective phrase. Look at the second sentence. He was wearing a crown. उसने एक ताज पहना है. कौन सा ताज? Made of gold. This group of word modifies. ये modify करता है. Add something with the noun. Noun के साथ कुछ add करता है. Got it? So this group of word is adjective phrase. Dear, I met a girl. I met a girl. Which one girl? So this group of word modifies this noun. So this group of word is known as adjective phrase. With blue eyes, जिसकी आंखें नीले थे. Got it? जिसकी आंखें blue थी, उसके साथ में मिला. So this group of word modifies this noun. So this is working as an adjective. So this group of word is adjective phrase. Got it? If you have any confusion regarding adjective phrase, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.